Today, I'll walk you through how to create a wiki with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own wiki so you can organize information and collaborate effectively. To get started, head over to your Notion page. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a versatile workspace that allows you to manage notes, tasks, and databases all in one place. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Notion updates its interface regularly, but the core functionality remains the same. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the plus sign in the sidebar. This is your gateway to creating new content. Click on the plus sign and you'll see a variety of options appear. This is where the magic begins. Next, click on Templates. This will take you to a library of pre-made templates that can help you get started quickly. Templates are like blueprints. They provide a structure that you can customize to fit your needs. Now let's explore the template marketplace. Click on Templates again, and this will lead you to a broader selection of options. Here you can find templates created by other Notion users, which can inspire your own wiki design. In the search bar, type Wiki and press Enter. This will filter the templates to show only those related to wikis. Think of this as searching for a recipe online. You're looking for something specific that fits your needs. Once the results load, pick your desired template and click on it. Take a moment to preview it and see if it aligns with what you're envisioning for your wiki. After selecting your template, click the plus sign again, and it will appear on the left pane of your Notion workspace. This is where you can easily access your new wiki whenever you need it. Now open the wiki and modify it based on your preferences. You can add sections, change colors, or include images to make it truly yours. This is your space to organize information in a way that makes sense to you. And there you have it. You've successfully created a wiki with Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.